Can we make a flag wall hanging out of beads? We're going to try. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I have all these different beads. Most of them are from Dollar General. Most of them have tassels. And most of them I got on clearance for like 90% off. So we are going to cut all of the beads and the tassel thing off of that long piece of wood. Now I have a tassel from another one that I'm going to loop some jute in. Now we're going to get some beads from this other tassel. All I wanted was the dark blue. And here we're going to just kind of map out what we want the bead hanging to look like. I just start putting them out. So on that little piece of wood, there's like 7 holes where other beads were hanging before. So we're going to just go with that same footprint. So I do blue, then continue it with red, then white. See, you see the pattern, right? And let me just say this. This took a hot minute. Like it wasn't wicked hard, of course, but it took a hot minute. And then I was like, okay, so I get it all situated. I'm like super happy with it, right? And then I decided, I think I need to widen the hole for the 2 end pieces on that piece of wood, right? So here I have my double. This is my double piece of jute where we added that tassel on, right? And we're going to add our first line of beads. So again, we're just going to take that 1 row and put that on here, okay? Easy peasy. These make me think of blueberries, by the way. Everything has to do with food, but whatever. Anyways, so I put these on here. I like the way it looks. Hooray. So then again, I decide, okay, we need to widen that hole. You ready for this? This is great times. Oh, good. I had to put it all back together. Darn it all. But anyway, so I did make that first and last hole a little bit bigger. And then I go and do the same thing with each line. Does that make sense? Each line of beads I add to a tassel, a jute tassel line. Okay. And I'm using a tapestry needle here. You could just put some, masking tape on the end of it if you wanted. And then I just tie it at the top. Again, these tassels are from other Dollar Tree tassel bead garlands that I had. So you could make your own tassel if you wanted, but I'm not reinventing the wheel, right? Here we go. So then we do this for each and every one of them. Then at the very last one, I take that double one that we did originally and I put it so that now we have a hanger, and then we're going to put the last row of beads on that. And then we're going to add a tassel on the end of that one. And then we're going to tie it off. And I'll be honest with you, I am so excited about this. I love Americana stuff. And this one is like a little boho vibe. So it's to me, it checks off all of the yippee for my decor at least. But anyways, look at how pretty. I did trim up all of the tassels just so they're even. But oh, look at how pretty that is. Come on. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.